unity that you talked about within the party. So is there a plan to reach out to the rebels, which includes James Orengo, Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino, Osodsi, all of them? And who is going to reach out to them? With what proposal?
Like I said, we have able men and women in our party. And I know maybe the board of trustees, because they are old, I said older people now, because young people, we have some hyperactiveness that can cause more friction. So especially peer groups, yeah? We are used to saying ukirusha ninarusha, and that does not solve anything. We want people who can humble, in humility, reach out and ask, okay, we have said this, we have been like, we've looked at each other like enemies. Are we really enemies? We are a family. Can we go back home? Can we rebuild again? Can we rejuvenate our energies and direct the energy to the right path and to the right course?
Okay.
It is possible. That having been said, just in case, because even when Baba was alive, we had betrayers. People betrayed Baba that you would not believe when he was alive. If we still have people who will stick on betrayal, then that's their life, that's their choice. We'll still wish them well wherever they go and focus. Because at the end of the day, the party is bigger than individuals. If they choose their path, we will release them.
Okay. So what I'm understanding from you is that you've agreed that you're going to extend an olive branch.
We have.
You've also agreed that there's an older brigade that will do that extension of the olive branch.
Yes.
You just haven't agreed on who and when and how. Is that a fair statement?
You know, we have friends in our wings. So somebody can say, I can reach out to Soti, the other one I can reach out to Sifuna, the other one I can talk to Babu. We are actually not enemies. We meet every now and then in those corridors of power in parliament where...
But they didn't come to Mombasa.
And they still insist on doing what they do best. We believe that we have not yet lost them, as per now. But the party must move on. The party must continue running programs. We must keep ticking our calendar. We cannot wait for one person. Yes, we would have loved to, but then we are looking at time, we are facing next year, and people will be busy like me. You know, I multitask a lot. So I just hope that they will listen. Yeah.
And was it a mistake kicking out Sifuna?
Nobody kicked